Hello guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. It has been a little while since I've vlogged. As you guys could tell, I took a little short kind of break from posting videos just to focus on school and interning. I had midterms this week, so things got really busy, but we are back and I'm doing a weekend in my life vlog this weekend because I have some fun things going on. I felt like it'd be a good mix of fun activities and also like productive stuff. I have a lot that I want to get done this weekend, so I'm very excited. It's Friday night actually. It is 6:30 p.m. right now. I was in the city all day for my internship, so I wanted to wait and just start the vlog here because I'm going to Atlantic City tonight for a friend's birthday. My friend Stephanie is turning 22 in a couple days, so we're celebrating tonight in Atlantic City. And even though I live in New Jersey, I've actually never been to Atlantic City, so I'm very excited. We're just going for the night. It's like a super quick little trip, but we have a hotel room for the night and we're gonna go out, so I'm really excited. And I'm going to do my makeup and hair right now at home, and then I'm gonna drive myself down and then like get dressed and stuff there, but I just didn't feel like bringing all my makeup and stuff to get ready there, so I'm just gonna do it here. I just got out of the shower and now I'm gonna do my makeup, just gonna do my normal makeup, nothing special. And then for my hair, can't really tell on camera, and also I just dry shampooed it, but it's pretty like greasy right now just because I haven't washed it in several days. I am getting my hair done tomorrow, so I didn't want to wash it for tonight because they're obviously gonna wash it there. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail and kind of like sleek it back so that you can't really tell. And also while I'm getting ready, I'm just gonna put some whitening strips on. These are the Crest white strips. I've been using these forever. I haven't used them in a while and I feel like my teeth could use some whitening. So I'm gonna put these on, do my makeup and hair, get all of my belongings together that I need for the night, and then we're gonna go. I haven't used these in so long, and I feel like my teeth, like, luckily are pretty naturally white, especially considering the amount of coffee that I drink, but sometimes I just need like a little extra whitening, and I feel like I get a lot of questions on how I whiten my teeth, so this is all I do, is just classic Crest whitening strips. I finished my makeup, put my hair back in a ponytail, and I'm about to head out. I'm just getting all of my stuff together. So in here I have my outfit for tonight and also clothes to wear to sleep in. In this bag I just have some like skincare stuff to take my makeup off and all that good stuff. I also, you can't see it and I don't feel like messing it up, but I just bought a really cute bottle of rosé to give Steph tonight, so I'm bringing that. Yeah, so I think I have everything. I have like a 2-hour drive ahead of me, so I'm gonna drive down and I'll let you guys know when we get to AC, baby. Hi guys. What? Oh, so which side is mine? That side? Yeah. Or like all of ours? Okay. Hi guys. We're in Atlantic City. It's Steph's birthday. 22 bitches. Say hi. We have balloon. That was really good. No. But it's pretty cute in here. This looks so cute. This is the pretty bottle I got for Steph. Beautiful. There's cupcakes. This is my fit for the night. This bodysuit is from Aritzia. I have it in 2 colors. It's the best. I will link down below. And then these pants are from Princess Polly. They were in a haul recently. And then I'm just wearing my black heels that are like my go-to going out heels because they're very comfortable. And yeah, let's check in on everyone else.
Team drinking is very bad. Yo, I got a fake ID though.
Pick something. Hey guys.
Yeah. Oh yeah, check it out.
Let's go. Action.
Hey. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. keep that.
That's so funny. Oh.
It's okay. We have another one.
It's all over the table.
Oh. Do I just press record again?
PG-13.
So I just press this? Yeah.
I'm gonna do a video.
Wait, please point that way.
No. Point this way. No.
Yeah, go.
God damn.
Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Yay!
22. Good morning, guys. The lighting is super weird right here, but I just wanted to say hello. It is Saturday morning now. It's around 8:30. I woke up bright and early. Everyone is still sleeping, but I have to go back home to get to my hair appointment at 11. I just picked up Starbucks for breakfast. Gonna eat this and head home. The drive back is like an hour 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna go get my hair done. So I'm just getting my color touched up. Last night was really fun. Atlantic City is like so weird to me. It's just so random, like a city in New Jersey, but it's like a mini little Vegas, and it's just a bunch of like big hotels and casinos and clubs. It was fun. And now time to head back home. It is Sunday now. Hi, kitty. So I never showed you guys a finished hair look. Just got a little blonder, touched up my roots, and it just looks like fresher and brighter. Now it is Sunday and I'm about to go and run some errands. Sundays are always for running errands, so I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, do my grocery shopping for the week, and then I also need to stop at Target and get a couple things, and I need to stop at Walgreens and pick up a prescription, and then I think that's it. But it's super rainy outside, so it's like kind of a gloomy day, so not really excited about that. But I'm just wearing the sweatshirt that I got from Urban Outfitters. It's super cozy and I really like the fit of it, and I think it's so cute. I actually got a couple things from Urban, but I'm going to be filming a haul soon, like a collective fall haul, because I've been doing some shopping lately, but I'm gonna hold off and show you guys the rest of the stuff in that haul. So this is just a little sneak peek. Yeah, so I'm gonna run those errands. I have some homework to get done today. Let's go. I'm gonna bring an umbrella because it's literally pouring. I am back home now. I got these new reusable bags from Trader Joe's. I was using different ones before that were from Amazon, and I just didn't really like them very much, and they're kind of like tearing and falling apart. So I decided to get these canvas ones from Trader Joe's. They're only like a few dollars each, and they actually hold so much stuff, surprisingly. So excited about these. I will give you guys a little grocery haul now. This is everything that I got, starting with like produce-y stuff. I just got some apples since they're in season, 2 pears, 2 lemons, an avocado, cucumber, cotton candy grapes, which are the best. If you haven't tried these, you have to find them. Raspberries, and then also got eggs, bread. They didn't have the bread that I usually get, so I just got this 10-grain bread. Some pasta, this kettle corn, which I've had before. It's really good, just if I'm craving something for like a snack. Then I got all of this stuff because I've been making sandwiches a lot recently to bring to my internship with me for lunch. So I just got some smoked turkey breast, salami, cheese slices, and then I can put those all on the bread for sandwiches. 2 containers of vanilla Greek yogurt, and then, oh, also I got the Trader Joe's oat milk, which is very exciting. It's kind of weird because they keep it like on the shelves, like it's not refrigerated, but it says to refrigerate it once it's open. So I think it's just gonna be like normal oat milk. So I'm really excited that Trader Joe's finally caught on and got oat milk. I got this frozen asparagus risotto. I've never tried this, but it looks good. So I can have this for dinner one night. Then also got some mashed cauliflower, which is a good like side dish to have. I got steaks for dinner one night, so that would be like a good meal to have together. Bacon. I got this to try. It's lobster ravioli, which sounds so good. So I've never tried this, so I don't know how it'll be, but it just sounded really good. Dried mango, bananas, I forgot to say that before. I got 3 RX bars. These are the chocolate sea salt one, which is the only flavor I really like, but these are good to take to school or work just to have as like a snack in the middle of the day. And then the last thing I got is this chocolate peanut butter mochi. I've never tried this flavor before. I've only tried like fruit flavored mochi, but it sounds really good. So I'm going to have this for dessert tonight, and we will see how it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff away, and then I think I'm gonna clean up my apartment a little bit. It's a little messy. Okay, jump really high.
Kitty guapo.
Come on, Guapo.
Kitty guapo. There you go.
It is face mask time. I finished cleaning my apartment, took a shower, and now doing some self-care since it's a Sunday. I feel like this has been like my true Sunday routine. Just like waking up, running errands, going grocery shopping. Then I always clean on Sundays because it's like the only day of the week that I have time to clean. And then I always get carried away with cleaning, and like I'll start just cleaning one thing and then I end up like cleaning and reorganizing my entire apartment. And now I am just doing some self-care. So I'm using this mask. This has been my favorite mask lately. It's really good. It's Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. It's this bright blue color and it's very cooling. Like it literally feels cold on my face and it feels so good. And I do feel like it makes a difference and just like clears my face up a little bit, clears out my pores and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 minutes and then I'm gonna self tan tonight. No reason in particular really, I just feel like being tan, and I have a lot of videos I want to film this week and some pictures to take and stuff like that. So I just feel like being tan, you know, it makes me feel good about myself. So I'm gonna self tan and then I have some homework to get done. I have 2 like really big assignments due tomorrow that I've been working on, but that I still have a lot of work to do on, and I need to work on them tonight. So that's probably what I'm doing the rest of the night, honestly. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave this on for a little bit. I have some laundry going and lots of candles going. It's good vibes in here right now. And everything is all clean. I just remembered that the Bravo special with Teresa and Joe is on tonight, and I'm so excited. With Andy Cohen, they're sitting down and talking about Joe's deportation and their whole situation. I'm so happy because I just remembered that that's on tonight and I'm really excited. That starts at 8 and it's 7:55, so I need to self-tan really quickly so that I can watch that. This is the tanner I'm going to be using. I've talked about this in other vlogs, but I've been really liking this lately. I was using the Loving Tan one before this and I still really like that one, but this is just what I've been reaching for lately. I'm going to use the Mitt by the same brand and just apply this all over. My tan is all on. I don't put the self tanner on my face, but then I just use this spray. It's the Babe Water by the same brand. I like using that on my face because it's like made for your face and it's never made me break out or anything, and that I just spray all over and then blend it in with a brush, and then it like develops overnight, and then in the morning my face is nice and tan. I've also been using that Babe Water on its own too when I'm not self-tan, just like so that my face has a little more color. And since it's the fall and I'm mostly wearing like pants and sweatshirts every day, you can't really see the rest of my body, so it's nice just to have like a tan face and neck with that stuff, and it literally takes 2 seconds to apply, so I've been really liking that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go watch this Teresa and Joe special and also try to get some homework done. They're good. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end the vlog here since it's getting pretty late, so I'm gonna go to bed soon. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.